Nuclear power plants are some of the most impressive engineering achievements in the world. They generate massive amounts of energy while using very little fuel compared to other power sources. Today, we're going to explore the 10 largest nuclear power plants in the world. These power plants are massive in size, extremely powerful, and have fascinating stories behind them. From design challenges to human efforts and technological breakthroughs, let's take a closer look at how these engineering marvels were built, the challenges they faced, and the incredible energy they provide. 10th. Tianwan. Nuclear Power Plant, China. A China-Russia collaboration. The Tianwan nuclear power plant is located in Jiangsu Province, China, and has a capacity of 5,060 megawatts. It's the result of a collaboration between China and Russia, with Russian technology playing a key role in the plant's design and construction. The first reactors were completed in 2007, and additional reactors are still under construction. The collaboration between the two countries allowed engineers to combine expertise and technology, making the plant one of the safest and most efficient in China. One of the major challenges was building the plant to meet both countries' strict safety standards, especially for earthquake resistance. Interesting fact: Tianwan's reactors use a type of Russian technology called VVER, which is known for its reliability and safety. 9. Shin Kori Nuclear Power Plant, South Korea. A rising powerhouse. The Shin Kori Nuclear Power Plant is one of the most advanced nuclear power plants in the world, with a total capacity of 5,600 megawatts. Located near Busan, South Korea, the plant is still expanding, with additional reactors under construction. One of the most interesting aspects of Shin Kori is its use of advanced reactors known as APR-1400, which are designed for greater efficiency and safety. Engineers face the challenge of building these reactors in a densely populated area, while ensuring the highest levels of safety. Fun fact: the Shin Kori plant is part of South Korea's efforts to become a leader in nuclear technology, and its reactors are among the most advanced in the world. 8. Oi Nuclear Power Plant, Japan. Withstanding earthquakes and tsunamis. The Oi nuclear power plant is located in Fukui Prefecture, Japan, and has a total capacity of 4,710 megawatts. It is one of Japan's largest nuclear power plants and plays a crucial role in the country's energy supply. Construction began in the early 1970s, and the plant was operational by the 1990s. Because Japan is prone to earthquakes and tsunamis, the engineers designed the plant with extreme safety measures in mind. The plant was built with earthquake-resistant materials, and its reactors are designed to shut down automatically in case of seismic activity. After the Fukushima disaster in 2011, Oi was temporarily shut down for safety upgrades. It has since been brought back online with enhanced safety features, including a higher seawall to protect against tsunamis. 7. Paluel Nuclear Power Plant, France. A key powerhouse in France's nuclear fleet. Located on the Normandy coast, the Paluel nuclear power plant has a total capacity of 5,528 megawatts, making it one of the largest nuclear power plants in the world. Construction started in the 1970s, and the plant became operational in the 1980s. One of the major engineering challenges was designing the plant to withstand powerful storms and heavy seas, given its location on the coast. The plant's engineers also had to install special systems to protect marine life in the nearby English Channel. Interesting fact: Paluel is part of France's strategy to rely heavily on nuclear power, and it produces enough electricity to meet nearly 10% of the country's energy needs. 6. Gravelines. Nuclear power plant, France. Powering millions in France. The Gravelines nuclear power plant located in northern France is one of the largest in Europe, with a capacity of 5,460 megawatts. The plant began construction in 1974 and became fully operational by 1980. It plays a critical role in providing electricity to millions of people across France and neighboring countries. The biggest challenge during construction was building the plant near the sea. Engineers had to design a robust cooling system that could handle large volumes of seawater while preventing corrosion from the salty environment. They also had to ensure that the plant was capable of running efficiently for decades. Interesting fact: the plant is cooled using water from the North Sea, and it produces enough electricity to power cities like Lille and Dunkirk. Gravelines is also one of the few nuclear plants in the world that has produced more than 1 terawatt-hour of electricity. 5. China's Qinshan nuclear power plant, China's first and largest nuclear facility. The Qinshan nuclear power plant is China's largest and first nuclear power plant, with a total capacity of 6,546 megawatts. Located in Zhejiang province, construction began in 1985, and the plant was fully operational by 2011. One of the challenges the engineers faced was developing the plant during China's early nuclear power efforts. They had to rely heavily on international expertise and technology, but over time, China developed its own advanced nuclear technology, which was used to expand the plant. Fun fact: Qinshan is often referred to as the cradle of China's nuclear power, because it set the foundation for the country's rapidly growing nuclear industry. 4. Hanul Nuclear Power Plant, South Korea. Powering South Korea. The Hanul Nuclear Power Plant, formerly known as Uljin, is one of the largest nuclear power plants in the world. Located in South Korea, it has a total capacity of 5,899 megawatts. Construction of the first reactors began in 1983, and the plant became fully operational by 2012. One of the key engineering challenges was designing the plant to withstand natural disasters, including earthquakes and typhoons, which are common in the region. The plant's designers also made sure to follow strict environmental standards, protecting the nearby marine life and ecosystem. Interesting fact: Hanul plays a major role in South Korea's energy strategy, which relies heavily on nuclear power to reduce dependence on fossil fuels and cut carbon emissions. 3. Zaporizhzhia Nuclear Power Plant, Ukraine. Europe's largest Zaporizhzhia is Europe's largest nuclear power plant, located in Ukraine near the Dnieper River. Its total capacity is 5,700 megawatts, and it plays a crucial role in supplying energy to Ukraine. Construction of the plant began in 1980, with the last reactor becoming operational in 1995. The engineers had to deal with several challenges, including building the plant in a region with limited infrastructure. They constructed dams and reservoirs to ensure a reliable water supply for cooling. Additionally, the plant's location near a major river helped the engineers design an efficient cooling system. Interesting fact: the Zaporizhzhia plant provides nearly half of Ukraine's nuclear power output, making it essential for the country's energy independence. 2. Bruce Nuclear Generating Station, Canada. North America's power giant. Located in Ontario, Canada, the Bruce Nuclear Generating Station is the largest nuclear power plant in North America. It has a total capacity of 6,430 megawatts. Construction started in the 1970s, and the plant was fully operational by 1987. The biggest challenge during its construction was its remote location on the shores of Lake Huron. Engineers had to transport massive amounts of construction materials, including steel and concrete, to the site. They also had to ensure that the plant was equipped with advanced cooling systems to use the cold waters of Lake Huron efficiently. A key fact about Bruce is that it supplies 30% of Ontario's electricity needs, proving just how critical it is for the province's power supply. The plant also underwent major upgrades to extend its lifespan, making it one of the most important power sources in Canada. 1. Kashiwazaki-Kariwa Nuclear Power Plant, Japan, the world's largest. The Kashiwazaki-Kariwa nuclear power plant in Japan is the largest in the world in terms of output. It has a total capacity of 7,965 megawatts, enough to power millions of homes. Located in Niigata Prefecture, construction started in 1980, and the plant became fully operational by 1997. One of the biggest challenges faced by the engineers was earthquake resistance. Japan is located in a region with frequent seismic activity, so the plant was designed to withstand even the strongest earthquakes. After the Fukushima disaster in 2011, Kashiwazaki-Kariwa was shut down for safety checks and upgrades, further enhancing its earthquake resilience. Fun fact, the plant consists of 7 reactors, and each one is capable of producing more electricity than most power plants in the world. In the end, these 10 nuclear power plants are more than just energy generators. They are engineering marvels that represent decades of innovation, hard work, and collaboration. Each of these massive projects faced unique challenges, from natural disasters to complex technological requirements, but they all share one thing in common. They provide power to millions of people around the world. These nuclear power plants are a testament to human ingenuity and the desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing engineering stories.